problems. So the main benefits, I talked about it, but being more specific, all the elimination of the needs of papers saying that I'm an architect, I'm a doctor, I'm a public officer, that usually is the citizen that goes into one place to get them and then goes to deliver it to the municipality, for example. Those can be eliminated. So reducing that will reduce administrative costs for business, and it will facilitate the part where I can delegate in someone the financial operation of my company, for example, or the capacity to deliver a project in a municipality has an architect working for me. So not a technological project, not a very interesting technological project by itself, but a very interesting project to the doing business in Portugal. For a municipality, which is a good example, since I've been talking about architects and engineers and stuff like that, it means total dematerialization with the contact with the citizen. It means to reduce fraud, because this being done in real time, asking the database for the Architects Association or for the Doctors Association, this means that no fraud is allowed, since if you're no longer an architect, if you're no longer a doctor, then you won't be able to sign or to authenticate yourself as one. So it means to reduce the fraud that exists today everywhere. And I think these are good news, and the pilots in Portugal, which began to just be a technological pilot, is now really going to be a functional one, where I have the capital municipality, Lisbon, which is already with us doing the project. Architects already signed a protocol with us and are starting to implement their part, and the engineers, and I hope to have the registries also already in the pilot, because the project was so important for them. This slide, I just noticed that it's in Portuguese, so I will pass on, but it will be available in English, of course, in the website of the conference. But generally, it's a conceptual architecture of the solution. So if you can consult it later on in English, I'm sure you'll get it without me being here presenting it. So this was the project. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please ask.
Thank you very much. I think it was very fast, delivered, very accurate, very interesting. I will ask you some questions, but after the meeting, because we would like to implement something, well, to manage roles at EU level. So I will ask you for some help. Maybe the time for a very short question before we close the session. We're already late. No question? Then thank you to the presenters. Thank you to the audience. And I guess we'll meet again later tonight. Bye-bye.